I want to show you this package I received from Madame Glam. I'm so grateful, and it says Hello Glamorous. That's for sure me. And it mentioned that it's vegan, 21 free formula, no animal testing, and respect environment. Wow, these colors are beautiful, and I'm gonna be doing the swatching so you can see how they look. I have a discount code for you guys. It's Nails by Jan 30. It will save you 30% off of your entire order. At checkout, you can choose pay as you go if you don't want to become a VIP member, and I will leave the link below. Next, I have the top and base coat. These bottles are big, they're 15 ml. I love the look, they're so beautiful. As well, I want to show you the mini lamp that is included. It has a setting for 45 or 60 seconds, and it's only one button here for switch on and off. Press once or twice, depends on the setting that you want, 45 or 60 seconds, and you can cure 4 fingers at once, and I will do my thumb separately. I'm going to do a tropical design, that's why I chose these colors, and I purchased these beautiful stickers on Amazon because I don't want to be doing a ton of nail art.